Okay, let's look at these three numbers and order them from least to greatest. We have 3.89, 3.91, and 3.85. So I've already lined them up according to their place value. So here's the ones place, there's our decimal point, the tenths, and the hundredths. So looking at our ones place, they are all 3. So they're all equal so far. So we move to the right. Then we have an 8, a 9, and an 8. Okay, well we know 9 is going to be the greater one, so let's compare with the 8 and the 8. So we have to move to the right again. So here, I see this one has a 9, and this one has a 5 in the thousands place. Which is least? Remember, we're looking for least to greatest. Good. This one is the least. So this one will be first, it'll be the least. And since we know that the other 8 in the tens place was the next one we had, this one will be the second, which leaves this one as the greatest.